If 149 equals 8q plus r, where q and r are quotient and remainder respectively, then the value of r is remainder. So here 149 is divided by like 8. So quotient will be here 8 ones 8, here 69, 8 eights 64. So 8 times 18 is 144 and the remainder is like 5. So you can do in this way. 8 Euclid division lemma if you write 8 times 18 144 and remainder will be like 5. So 149 equals 8 into 18 plus 5. So the correct option is B. Correct option is B. Next one, second question. N of if A equals X such that X is a letter of the word calculus. So if I'll write in set form, A, C, A, L, C already repeated. So U, C, A, L, C is repeated, U, L is already repeated, S. U is also repeated, S. So they are asking cardinal number. So number of elements in set A is like we have like 5 elements. So correct option is D. Next, third question. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial here. Polynomial is 3x square plus 4x minus 2. If we'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. A is 1, b is 4, c is minus 2. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus 4 by 3. So the correct option is C. Next, fourth question. The number of solutions of the pair of linear equations. Here the pair of linear equation, the first one is x plus 2y. See here the constant is on the left side, here it is on the right side. So what I'll do, I'll take this also on the left side. So minus 3 equals 0. Half of x plus y minus 3 by 2 equals 0. Now I'll compare the coefficients. Here it is 1. 1 by 1 by 2. 2 by 1. So 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. So this is also 2. So now I'll check the last one. Minus 3 by minus 3 by 2. Minus minus cancel. So again 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So 1 by 1 by 2 is again 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and that is equal to c1 by c2. So coincident lines, infinitely many solutions. So correct option is A. Next one. If one root of the quadratic equation x square minus kx plus 36 equals 0 is 3. So directly in place of x we can substitute 3. 3 square minus k into 3 plus 36 equals 0. 9 minus 3k plus 36 equals 0. 9 plus 36 is 45. Minus 3k will transpose to the right side plus 3k. So 45 by 3 equals k. So the value of k is 15. So correct option is D. Next, ninth question. Here, ninth term of the GP. So first term is here, sixth question. First term is 2. Common ratio is a2 by a1. 2 root 2 by 2. So common ratio is 2. And we need to find the ninth term. Ninth term is ar power n minus 1. So ar power 9 minus 1. A value is 2. R is root 2 whole power 8. So root 2 8 times, or you can do 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 8, 2 times 1, 2 times 4, 2 into 2 power 4, which is nothing but 2 times 16, so which is 32. So correct option is C. Next, 7th question. If the vertices of a triangle are 8 comma 7, 8 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 2, so we need to find the centroid. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So values if we will substitute 8 plus 8 plus 2 by 3, y value is 7 minus 2 by 3. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 18 by 3, 7 minus 2 5, 5 minus 2 3 by 3. 16 by 3 is 6, 3 by 3 is 1. So correct option is here B. Next question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If the area of ABC is 144 and area of PQR is 256, AC is given corresponding sides and they're asking like PR. So here, if I apply the area theorem, like area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equals AC by PR whole square. Areas are like 144 by 256. AC is 9 by x whole square. If I'll bring this side, root 144 is 12, root 256 is 16 equals 9 by x. 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So if I'll cross multiply, x value is 4 into 3, 12. So correct option is A. Next, 9th question. If the distance between two parallel tangents, see, two parallel tangents we can draw at the end of the diameter. Here one we can draw here at the end of the diameter. So here diameter, see, the distance between the two parallel tangents is 16. This distance is 16. So diameter will be like 16 centimeters. So radius will be 8 centimeters. So correct option is B. 10th one. It's a direct question. The curved surface area of a right circular cone is given by the formula pi r L. L represents, then the formula L represents slant height. So correct option is C. Next one, 11th one. Sine 27 degrees and denominator also like sine 27 plus cos 63 I can write as cos 90 minus 27. So sine 27 cos 90 minus theta is sine theta by sine 27. So 2 sine 27 degrees by sine 27. Sine 27 cancel. So the answer is 2. Correct option is D. 12th one. If the length of a person's shadow, see the length of a person's shadow here, if we take shadow is equal to its height. Suppose if height is h, length of the shadow is also h. So the angle made by the sun's rays with the ground, we need to find theta. So tan theta is h by h. Tan theta is 1. In tan we'll get 1 for 45, tan 45. So theta is 45 degrees. So the correct option is A. Next. Among the following, the value that cannot be determined the probability of an event. See, probability of an event is, the formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So here 3 by 5. See, 3 by 5, it's possible because favorable outcomes is 3, total outcomes is 5. 0.6 is 6 by 10, that is also possible. 60% is 60 by 100, that is also possible. 5 by 3 is not possible because number of favorable outcomes are more than total outcomes, which is not possible. So correct option is C. Next one. The mean of first 7 multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So mean sum of the observations 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21 by 7. So here total 3 plus 6, if you'll do keep on adding, you'll get like 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18 plus 12 plus 15, 45 plus 18 plus 21. So it is 84 by 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 2. So correct answer is like 12. B. Next, LCM. LCM of 2 cube, 3 square into 5 square, 2 square into 3 cube into 7 square. So here LCM is, definition is product of all the prime factors with the highest power. So here you have 2 cube, here you have 2 square. So we'll take 2 cube. In the same way 3 square, 3 cube, so 3 cube, and 5 square into 7 square. Clearly the option is D. A subset of B. In A has 3 elements and B has 5 elements. The number of common elements will be like 3 elements only, maximum it can be common, because the 5 elements we have in B. In A we have 3 elements and all the elements of A are in B. So maximum intersection means common. Common maximum, it will be like 3 elements only. So the correct option is, if you want I can take example. A 1, 2, 3 and B I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A intersection B will be like common elements 1, 2, 3 and cardinal number of A intersection B will be like 3 only. So the correct option is A. Next, among the following progression that is not an AP. See, directly if you want you can observe here the gap is 3, 3 and 3. And here also the gap is 3, 3 and 3. Sorry. Here the gap is like 5, 5 and 5. Here the gap is 7. If you'll observe in this the third one, 2 and here it is 4, here it is 8. So to check for AP, the condition is A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2. Third one, if you'll check for this, see 4 minus 2 and 8 minus 4. 2 equals 4. This is not possible. So it is not in AP. So the correct option is C. Next, the distance of the point. Here, this is a bit tricky. Cosec 30 is 2. So it is 2 square. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 whole square. 2 square is 4. Root 3 whole square is 3. And origin is 0, 0. So the distance from origin to the point is x square plus y square. Under root 4 square plus 3 square. Root 25, which is nothing but 5. So the correct option is A. If a die is thrown once, so the possible outcomes are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The probability of getting an even prime. See, even prime we have only 1, that is 2. So the answer is 1 by 6. So the correct option is D. Next one. In an arithmetic progression, A3 is 25, A5 is 39, A5 is A plus 4D, and A3 is A plus 2D. So if we'll eliminate both, A will get cancelled. 4D minus 2D is 2D, and here it is 14. So D is 14 by 2, D is 7. So the correct option is B.